The belt connects the motor to the gearbox to drive the sanding belt on your belt sander. The belt is a reinforced cog-type belt. After years of use, the belt will wear and need to be replaced. The cogs will wear down, and the belt can crack or even break. Sometimes it will fray along the edges. If the sander is overloaded, the belt will wear much faster. Replacing the belt is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the belt from the belt sander. Now I can remove the belt cover. Now I can remove the belt. I'll rotate the belt, and as I do, I'll lift it away from the motor pulley. Now I can install the new belt. I'll place the belt around the lower pulley first, and then again I'll rotate the belt around as I work it on to the motor pulley. Next I'll reinstall the belt cover. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the sanding belt. And now you can replace the belt on your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.